Porsche Boxster Levita.
Well, hi there. Well, a funny intro to a not so fun task. Let's clean out those rads. Odd how the abbreviated version of radiators is rads. Accents and pronunciation have become a favorite topic around my house. My mom was English, my wife is French, and I'm a bilingual Canadian living in Quebec. So, I say garage. My mom might say garage. My brother says garage, or even garage. Anyway, I digress. Let's get at it, shall we? Okay, so we'll start by getting some access to this. So open up the frunk. There we go. And we have to take off these, this little guy here, this little panel to get at the screws that are underneath here. So we'll just pop this off, and this comes off. Ooh, it comes off with Velcro. How about that? My car is held together with Velcro. There we go. So now we can see here we have some Torx screws by the look of it. 1, 2, and 3, one down there. So, okay, so this is a number 30 Torx. Like all of the other screws and bolts, or like screws that go into the bumper, they all tend to be this same one, fortunately. Pop the wheel off of this thing to more easily access the panel underneath the wheel well sort of plastic panel. Take that off, and so I can get at the screws that are underneath. And I noticed that these here are not Torx 30s, they're 25s, so I lied. Okay, so here we've got one here, one here, one here, and another one here, and another one up in here. I don't know what the hell that does. And plus the ones that I took off in there, and they're all Torx 25s. And now this thing should, maybe, come out. Yeah, let's see what's holding it in there. Something's still in there, I guess. Okay, so right in here, I've got it part way out here. Now there's a clip. You see this clip here? It took quite a bit of pulling. I used this little pick thingy here to get in to the hole like that, and I pulled it straight out. And then I used my little lever here to reef it out to the rest of the way. And so now you'll see that it just comes out like that. So this is what it looks like. Okay, and it slides in here, and that will release this. So now we can actually pull the whole thing apart. Okay, the only way that I figured out how to get these things apart. Now this one's taken apart, but is to go in from the back this way, because here, see inside, a little spring thingy, and it has to be pushed down. To get at it from the other end, I've never been able to do it. I hate these things. So it's back to the 25. And this. Okay, we got a bunch of junk in here. So an 8mm. And lots of junk. Well, if you got this far, I imagine you can find your way back. Just reverse the video. So tomorrow, I'm attacking the coilovers. So wish me luck. Ciao. So, there you go. Click on that handsome racer dude to subscribe to my Porsche Do-It-Yourself channel. Ring that bell not to miss my upcoming coilover installation. Ciao.